Alright, let's go through the process of going. Let's go to my favorite friends. We will go through every single last person who blocked me. First, my favorite friend that made me join YouTube. Yeah. dabestgamer blocked me. Yeah, he spells YouTube wrong. That's gay. Now let's go to TamashiiHiroka. I don't really know how to spell a name, so I'll just go check your friends. Changed your icon. Yep, she blocked me. And I forgot the other buddy blocked me. Epic fail. Watch me rating this video 1 star. One star. Here's my channel. He's gay. And here's a URL refresher. Yeah, that's not possible to get in that bit of... Here's my insight. And I don't use Google Chrome, I use Firefox. Here's my year insight. See, there's proof of my videos. See, I used to troll people. Thank you. Here's my 3-month insight. This shows my new era of insight. Recently they gotten popular, but it's nowhere near other people's video views. XD.